Hi, welcome. I just want to introduce a little bit about my two workshops at the retreat coming up. So my first one is going to kind of introduce the retreat and kind of have everybody kind of feel like they're part of everything. So it's kind of going to be an introduction to mindfulness as well as how to be in the present moment and live that way. So with a little bit of meditation practice and other tools and things that will help you to be able to be in that present moment and live authentically to yourself. The second workshop that I'll be doing will be on Saturday. So it'll be kind of a continuation using some mindfulness and meditation and learning about your own inner wisdom and getting in tune with that intuition and inner wisdom inside of you and how to be able to use that. So both will be really awesome and interactive and um, great with the group as well as individually, and you'll love it. I mean, this whole retreat is going to be really empowering and awesome. You'll be able to get in touch with things with inside yourself and know how to kind of move forward in your life and grow and keep on going and heal from things that have been tough. So the neat thing about this retreat is not only do we have some like amazing presenters. We have a professional storyteller, Kristen. We have a professional singer, Natalie. Professional artist, Susan. We also have professional therapists, and there's my cat. She's very mindful herself, as you can tell. We also have professional therapists there that not only give you the knowledge and experience that they have, they're there to help you process and kind of work through things that come up as you're doing this work, which is so awesome. This year also, I want to kind of introduce, and we'll talk more about it in some more videos, but this year we are adding a couple additions to the retreat that won't be on the 2 retreat days, but you can choose other days to be able to do them. So one is called the 4 Chambers experience, which is a really powerful healing experience. Goes back to a Peruvian tribal healing practice. So you'll be able to choose one of our 3 therapists to be able to, 3 or 4, I think we're adding one more, to be able to do that work with. It's about a 2-hour process on an individual level. So just like amazing and powerful. Not only am I training to do this, but I've done it myself and it was amazing. The second thing that we're adding is a couple hours of sand tray therapy, which is really powerful and amazing too. It's, really getting into that unconscious kind of, taking a picture of what's going on inside of you and be able to put it out on the sand and work through it and process it, which is amazingly powerful. Also, it's connecting kind of the different parts of the brain and being able to heal and work through things, and be able to find ways to move forward in your life through connecting to your mind and body that way. So a couple extras, not included with the retreat price, but extra, but still amazing deal on those. Very discounted from what they normally would cost and very powerful. So couple added extra options this year, which should be really awesome. And the retreat itself is going to be amazing. I love working with everybody and be able to do some education and work with doing these workshops for everybody. So hopefully you can join us.